Hello, my name is Christina Maydi Huertanog, and I am one of the members who will present to you about the EEI Corporation as part of our requirement in the course Construction Method and Project Management Section 50052 under Sir Thomas Caneron. Let's begin.
The history of EEI. In 1931, Engineering Equipment and Supply Company, or EESCO, the predecessor of present-day EEI, was incorporated as a machinery and mill supply house in April 17, 1931. In the 1940s, the company expanded into steel fabrication, metalworks, and shipbuilding. EESCO won contracts to fabricate bodies for garbage trucks for the City of Manila and to construct Coast Guard vessels, PT boats, and submarine chasers for the U.S. Navy. In 1965, EESCO changed its name to Engineering Equipment Incorporated, or as it's known now as EEI. EEI Steel Foundry and Steel Fabrication divisions were leaders in the industry. It was in 1974 that the company expanded into three main operating divisions: construction, machinery, and foundry. The company then established its overseas division and made its foray in the Middle East and Southeast Asia. While in the 1980s, EEI celebrated its golden anniversary, it continued to expand its steel fabrication division and its overseas division as it expanded its overseas construction activities to markets in Southeast Asia and in the Middle East. In the 90s, significant during this time was the participation of EEI in the reconstruction of Kuwait after the First Gulf War on April 14, 1992. Engineering Equipment Incorporated formally changed its name to EEI Corporation. 1 year later, the Yuchenko Group of companies, one of the largest family-owned companies in the Philippines, acquired Benguet Corporation's ownership of EEI. So EEI is now under the Yuchenko Group of companies. In the 20th century, EEI was already known as a pioneer Philippine contractor in the Middle East as it continued to acquire major projects in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. On the domestic front, the company's steel fabrication plant was constructing pressure vessels and module assemblies for overseas clients and was acquiring more high-rise building and infrastructure projects. In 2010, on its 80th anniversary, the company launched its Going Green project and other sustainability programs. In 2015, EEI Power Corporation moved into the power generation business as it forayed into the renewable energy through its investments in wind power and solar power. Now, EEI subsidiaries include Equipment Engineers Incorporated, Gulf Asia International Corporation, EEI Construction and Marine Incorporated, or ECMI, EEI Realty Corporation, or EEIRC, EEI Power Corporation Incorporated, or EEIPC, and the most recent, JPSAI Corporation, established in 2016, which is involved in providing scaffolding and shoring services to the construction industry. That's all for the history.
EEI Corporation is recognized as one of the leading construction companies in the Philippines, known for the quality of its work and its excellence of its workforce. It has the broadcast range of construction and engineering services with expertise in the construction of large-scale heavy and light industrial projects, infrastructure, and heavy property development projects all over the world. Over the years, EEI has built several power plants, refineries, petrochemical plants, cement plants, mining facilities, industrial plants, buildings, schools, hospitals, roads, bridges, seaports, airports, railways, water distribution stations, flood control systems, steel structures, and modular assemblies. Vision. EEI's vision is to be a builder of a better future. EEI will create not just more, but meaningful jobs is to build, cultivate, and serve responsibly. They are the leading construction company in the Philippines, with international operations committed to the highest level of quality, safety, and environment protection, providing innovative solutions and prompt delivery. They provide products and services that give their customers the best value and compelling experience. Their people and their partners are their most valued assets. They uplift the quality of life in the communities they serve. EEI will be an agent of positive and meaningful change as it promotes good corporate governance, better health in communities, and a better quality of life, not just for its people but for the communities it serves.
There are 5 phases of project management. These are the initiating process, the project planning process, the execution process, the monitoring and controlling process, and the closing process. Building and commercial property development represent a core business of the company. For the initiation process, we chose the coast residence owned by the SM Development Corporation or SMDC. EEI is one of the major role in the construction of the coast residence. It is located in Ross Boulevard, corner Dapitan Street, Pasay City. The project is a 39-story premier residential building composed of six podium levels, 1 amenity level, 33 residential tower levels, and 1 roof deck level. It has a gross floor area of 110,264 square meters and 2,204 residential units. EEI scope of works are civil, structural, masonry walls, and exterior precast walls, which will be completed within 28 calendar days or 28 calendar months from August 15, 2015 up to December 15, 2018. Throughout the years, EEI has built several bridges and hundreds of kilometers of national highways throughout the Philippines. The EDSA Metro Trail Transit, or also known as MRT project, along Metro Manila's most important road, EEI was a major player in the construction of the Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, the South Luzon Expressway, and the NAIA 3 flyovers, the new Iloilo Airport. As the Philippines continues to build the necessary structures that contribute the economic progress, EEI offers the same world-class capability that has made it one of the country's leading construction companies.